All right, you've made it to the funnels section. Now, we're going to talk about the importance of funnels because funnels are pretty dang important here. So what is a funnel exactly? So funnels give you the capability to make more money from your current customer as they're going through the actual checkout process. So they come to your page and they're like, hey, yeah, I want to buy this. And then, a funnel will actually go out there and actually say, hey, look, how about this, John? How about you buy this, okay? And that's essentially what it does. And then John's like, nah, no thanks. And then, your site's going to be like, you know what, John, all right, fine. Look, you might not like us, but how about this little offer before you actually go and purchase the initial product you said yes to? And then John, out of sheer willingness of his good heart, he says, you know what? This makes sense. Yes, I'll buy it. So right when they bought the first one, they added to cart the first product. The third product, they said, yeah, I'll take it too. Now John has 2 products in his cart, increasing the average order value as well. Now, like I just said, funnels increase the AOV, which is average order value of your customer, which makes it easier for you to keep making sales in the long run. So if you know your funnel generates an average of, let's just say $30 across 3 products in your funnel, so 3 product sales, compared to 1 product sale at $10, you're actually able to spend more money on ads and make more revenue, which means more profit in the long term. And you're going to be able to keep on selling easier to a $30, customer than you can to a $10 customer, right? So the store that's actually willing to spend and can spend more money per customer acquisition is typically the winner. And the only way you can acquire more customers at a higher price is actually going to be with funnels, okay? It's literally going to be with funnels. There's no other way that you can acquire customers at a higher price and be able to take a loss profitably without actually having funnels, okay? So it's just not possible without funnels. But with funnels, you're going to be able to go ahead and do that. And in the next video, I'm actually going to go ahead and show you an example of a funnel. It's an example funnel. It's not one that we're actually running on one of my stores, Shop Dirty Gamer. And again, this funnel is pretty dang cool. So for those of you who've never seen funnels being created or a funnel actually in action, this is your chance to actually see it. And like I said, it is pretty dang cool. It's very, very powerful stuff. So I suggest you are very attentive and you're paying very, very close attention to what I'm sharing because again, this stuff is going to make you a lot of money if you implement it and do it correctly. And then in the next video, after I show you my funnel example, what I'm going to go ahead and do is actually give you a link to the funnel software where you can literally get 60 days 100% free. All right, so again, I'm pretty much going to leave off on this video and I'll see you in the next one where I show you an example of a funnel.